How to fix Lidl app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Lidl app not working and not letting you logging in. So let's get started. First step is check your internet connection. Just go to your Wi-Fi, check if you're connected to the Wi-Fi, and if you are, but if it's still not working, you can always switch to mobile data. So whatever you do, make sure that you're connected to the internet. And after that, check if the app works. If it does not work, you can always head over to your settings. On your settings, go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and search for that app. So let me search for it here. There we go. Now tap on Offload and offload the app entirely. Then reinstall it, and that will basically clear out the cache from your app. After you clear out the cache from the app, you can then restart the app. Basically, it is restarting. So open up the app again and check if it's worked. If it does not work still, what you can do is you can always uninstall the app entirely, tap on delete app from here, or simply go back, long press on the app, tap on remove app, and delete the app. After that, you can then reinstall the app from your app store and you're good to go. And that should fix the issue, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.